The center control switch unit has to be replaced as a complete unit. Each new unit will come complete with any option that you could have ordered on a 991 Blue Arrow. Each side of the switch options are distinct to that side, red and green arrows. The one thing that will separate the switch housing is the type of roof you have. Make sure of this before ordering a new one. It is best to remove the old unit and check with the serial numbers. The unit may need to be coded by a dealership depending on the ability of your scan tool. The blanks will completely fill the space. The options that you will want to install the cover switches for have a chrome trim piece, red arrow, that goes on the bottom of the switch and should be installed before the switch cover. Again, these are unique to each side and should slip right in. The frosted end of the transparent piece, blue arrow, are again distinct to each side and when installed should sit flush with the switch cover. Install the transparent piece and the chrome piece before the switch cover. Once you install the covers, they are impossible to remove without unscrewing the back and pushing them out from behind. You run the risk of damaging them, so make sure everything is in place before you install them. Once you have finished, you will have a functioning switch control unit, but you may need to have it recoded at a dealership depending on the abilities of your scan tool. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.